The first step is to buy the correct headlight. I incorrectly bought a high beam bulb instead of a low beam bulb. Use services like Rock Auto, Advanced Auto Parts, AutoZone, or another online catalog to find the correct low beam headlight for your vehicle. In the driver footwell, pull the lever to pop the hood of the car. Then walk around to the front of the car, undo the safety catch, and raise the hood. It is always an excellent idea to disconnect the battery when doing anything electrical. Remember to always disconnect the negative or usually black terminal first. On this Kia, the negative terminal is unmarked and the positive is marked. The battery hold-down bolt keeps the battery from moving around while driving. It's located between the battery and the front of the car. Use a 13mm socket and an extension bar to access it. Remember, if you are replacing the passenger headlight, there's no need to move the battery, just disconnect it. If you're replacing the driver headlight, the battery is in the way of the headlight bulb cover. I simply tilted my battery to the left so that I would have access to the headlight bulb cover. This picture shows the plastic headlight bulb cover. Twist it counterclockwise about a half a turn to remove it. After removing the headlight bulb cover, you will expose the headlight bulb itself. Remove the old headlight by twisting it roughly a quarter turn counterclockwise and then pulling straight out. Install the new bulb in roughly the same manner that you removed the old. Begin it at an angle at about 10 o'clock, push in, and then twist clockwise to 12 o'clock. Reinstall all pieces in the reverse order of how you uninstalled them and enjoy your new headlight.